Are you tired of those old, lifeless monochromatic photos? Well, get ready to witness a stunning transformation that will leave you in awe. Today, we will be looking at an AI tool that helps in transforming images from dull to vibrant in less than 1 minute. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a vintage lover, or just someone looking to add a splash of color to your memories, this is the ultimate guide for you. Before we proceed, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more important updates like this. Let's start off by heading on to Image Colorizer's homepage. Image Colorizer helps breathe life into your old monochromatic photos. From adding vibrant colors to black and white images to enhancing the quality of your images, this amazing tool has you covered. The best part of it is that it's completely free for the basic photo editing you may want to carry out. Let's see how this works. Click on Colorize. Upload image. Select a monochrome photo you want to add color to. Start. This should take a while depending on your internet speeds. Preview. Amazing! What can you say about this new look? Close the preview pane and download your photo. You can freely download the colored version of this image into your device. If you are in wonder at what you just saw, then continue watching, as the next feature we will be considering will certainly leave your mouth agape. Go back to the home page. Tap Enhance. Upload the image you just colorized. Click Start. Wait for the magic. All I can say is, wow! We've gone from a monochromatic photo to a high-definition colored picture in no time. This could even get better if we use the retouch feature to reduce the sharpness of the picture. This tool is so simple to use and will help shorten the time it'll take in achieving this feat using other tools of this kind. Moreover, its free version has a lot of capabilities. Now, we've seen how Image Colorizer works and the beautiful things that can be done with it. Let's now briefly look at where the need for Image Colorizer's features come in. Photography. Photographers looking to enhance low-quality images in the shortest time possible while still maintaining quality will find this tool indispensable. Giving vibrancy to monochromatic pictures. In split seconds, you convert an otherwise boring image into one, realistically bubbling with color. Restoring damaged picture. Starting from a blemish, a tear, or some other form of disorder in any given picture, Image Colorizer literally takes it off in no time, leaving you wondering at other interesting feats that can be carried out using AI in the nearest future. You really should try out this tool. We've come to the end of our video today. Did you enjoy it? Tell us what you feel about this tool in the comments section. Also, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so you'll get notified once we post more exciting videos like this. Also, we will be having a YouTube Live event titled AI and the Future of Work. It is scheduled to hold on Thursday, 29th of June, 2023. Come and gain knowledge on how to navigate your career and life's call using this groundbreaking discovery, artificial intelligence. You can't afford to miss it.